How to integrate ChatGPT into Excel. To integrate ChatGPT into Microsoft Excel, follow the step-by-step instruction based on the latest method available. Open Microsoft Excel, navigate to the Insert tab here. Okay, let me just make it small so you can guys see it here. Now here you have to go to the Insert tab. Now click on Get Add-ins, right? Now if you don't see the add-in option, just go to Home and click on this section here. Now once you go here, search for GPT for Excel word. Right, so I will just go ahead and click on select here add. Now let me check. Okay, it has been added here. On the right side the column will open. Now in the search word type GPT, which we already did, locate the GPT and click on add button. And as you see how we did it, now welcome to GPT for Excel. Right now, okay, everything is done. Now we just need to sign in with Microsoft account here, so let us do it. And once you sign in into your account, we will be able to use GPT for Excel completely integrated. Now this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching.